Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. If you are a beginner looking for the right free resources to learn data science or just to update yourself on data science news, then you are at right place. As we know, data science is booming exponentially in almost all parts of the world. Today, you don't need a college degree in computer science or a PhD in deep learning to be qualified as a data science. Here is my list of the best websites for machine learning and data science to follow for valuable resources and news. So let's get started. The very first website is machinelearningmastery.com. The owner of the website is Jason Brownlee. He has a master's and PhD degree in artificial intelligence, and he has worked on machine learning systems for defense systems and weather forecastings. This website is great for beginners because it helps you to get straight to using programming to do machine learning instead of reading the heaps of concepts and theories. A top-down approach that focuses on working through a dataset end-to-end and getting a result with popular platforms like scikit-learn, R, and Keras. When I first started learning machine learning, I followed his getting started guide was super helpful to me because it gave me a sense of what is machine learning and how can I get started. The second website is elitedatascience.com. Elite Data Science is for time constrained professionals and beginners who are looking for a simple path to data science and learning only the most relevant commercially viable tools and best practices. They skip the non-essential theory and math and instead take you through the most direct path to applying data science and machine learning to a professional level. This website is great for explaining concepts, learning code, getting help career-wise, and find tools and resources needed for data science and machine learning. The third website is kaggle.com. This website is founded by Anthony Goldbaum and Ben Hamner. Kaggle is said to be a one-stop shop that provides all the tools to share and collaborate on data science projects. Kaggle is best used for learning and participating in the competitions. It's more of a learning platform where you can apply your skills and talent and compete with other data enthusiasts. You can also write code in Kaggle using its own notebook which offers no setup, totally customizable Jupyter notebooks on environment, and it comes with a free GPUs and huge repository of the community. Ask any data lovers and they would know what Kaggle is. The notebook is also great as it eliminates the needs to install any software and you can jump into writing code with ease. The fourth source to learn data science is data science community on reddit.com. In this platform you can ask any question, you can share your resources, and you can talk about data scientists and many more. Data scientists share their experience and advice on becoming a data scientist. A data scientist shares their experience on this platform, also their advice on becoming a data scientist. Data scientists talk about their experience and share their work life with beginners and data enthusiasts. The community also shares great resources for learning data science. The fifth source to learn data science is towardsdatascience.com. Towards Data Science is an international team of 15 people who work on the content that gets released on Towards Data Science. Every day they review the submission from the writers across the world and offer feedback to a multitude of authors. Their goal is to present well-written, informative articles that audience is excited to read. Towards Data Science is a reading and learning platform. If you are a writer at Medium, then you can also submit your articles to their website. If you are lucky, you will have the chance to write for towardsdatascience.com. I already provide all links in the description. Go and check out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.